If you watched my last video, you already know you're probably wasting money without realizing it. But here's the thing, that was just the obvious part. The habits I'm about to show you in this video, they're even harder to notice, and they quietly cost you more over time. In this video, I'll show you the money habits that feel normal but are actually expensive, the mistakes that slowly keep you stuck financially, and how to fix them before they drain even more money. Because at this point, it's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you're unknowingly losing. Hey lovely people, welcome back to Money Lessons with Debbie. Here we break down money matters that affect our everyday life. Let's get started. In the last video, we talked about spending you don't track, emotional spending, subscriptions, but here is where it gets interesting. Even if you fix all of those, you could still be losing money every day. And most people never realize this. Number 1, buying without a plan. You could also call it urgent spending. You only buy things when you suddenly need them. And when something feels urgent, you don't think, you just pay. Full price, no comparison, no patience. And this is where your money quietly disappears. Most people don't realize this, but urgency is one of the most expensive habits you can have. Start planning your purchases, even basic things, because when you plan, you give yourself time to make better decisions. Number 2, ignoring small price differences. This one seems harmless. You say it's just a small difference, but that mindset is dangerous because small differences repeated over time become big losses. And this is exactly how money leaks without you noticing. This is not about being cheap, it's about being aware. Before you buy, pause. Check 1 or 2 alternatives. That small habit changes everything over time. Number 3, not using what you already have. This one hits differently. You already own things, but you forget, so you buy again. Or you buy something similar, and now you spent money for no real reason. This is not just spending, this is wasted spending. Before buying anything, ask, do I already have something that can do this? You'll be surprised how often the answer is yes. Number 4, spending to keep up, also known as social pressure. This is one of the most expensive habits people don't talk about enough. Spending because others are doing it, it looks good, it feels expected, not because you actually need it. This is where money stops being practical and starts becoming emotional. And emotional spending is always expensive. Start asking yourself, would I still buy this if no one else saw it? That question alone will save you money. Number 5, ignoring future costs. This one is subtle but powerful. You look at the price today, but ignore what it will cost you later. Maintenance, refills, upgrades. You know what I'm talking about. And suddenly, something cheap becomes expensive. The real cost is not what you pay now, it's what you keep paying. Before buying, ask, what will this cost me over time? Be honest, which one of these do you do the most? Because for a lot of people, this is where the real money is going. Drop it in the comments. At this point, you can see the pattern. It's not one big mistake. It's small habits repeated daily. And once you see it, you really can't unsee it. And this is where most people struggle. They know what's wrong, but they don't have a system to fix it. That's why tracking your money matters so much. Because when you can actually see your spending clearly, you start making better decisions automatically. I've linked a simple tracker in the description if you want something easy to use. Now that you understand where your money is going, there's one more problem most people face. Even when they stop wasting money, they still don't build wealth. And that's what I'm going to show you in the next video. How to actually start growing your money step by step. So subscribe and watch that next.